Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Royal Architecture. I'm Amrit Kumar. We at Royal Architecture are specialized in end-to-end interior design in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Today, I'm excited to show you the interior design work of a 2 BHK flat in Sai Enclave, Niladri Road, Electronic City, Bangalore. The scope of this project includes living room interior, puja room, TV unit, kitchen, master bedroom and son's bedroom. For the living area, we have designed the border fall ceiling, and for the first time, we have added wall molding on the ceiling to enhance the decor and give a premium look. The puja room and TV unit are placed at a right angle, complementing each other in terms of laminate shades, design proportion, and overall theme. The concept blends a modern touch with traditional elements. According to the builder's layout, we designed the kitchen using a dominant and recessive color scheme, achieving a balanced and attractive color combination. To meet the client's requirement for additional storage and microwave space, we added a semi-tall unit. The key highlights of the kitchen includes soft and glossy laminates, provision for AquaGuard water purifier, provision for chimney, clean, functional and elegant layout. In the master bedroom, we have designed an end-to-end sliding wardrobe using the top line sliding channel where the channel is neatly concealed inside the loft. To include a dressing table, we smartly utilized 6 inches of space on the right side of the wardrobe. This enhances both functionality and aesthetics. As per the client's requirements for the son's bedroom, we only designed the end-to-end loft, providing maximum storage without altering the room layout. This complete 2 BHK interior design project was delivered within 5 lakh rupees, designed and executed by Royal Architecture. For more videos on end-to-end interior designs, customized interiors, personalized design solutions, do contact us. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Royal Architecture Bangalore. Thank you.